Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your phone supports the carrier bands in your area and that your plan includes adequate data speed. Once done, update the operating system and carrier settings, then reboot to apply changes. Make sure to test signal strength in several spots: indoors near windows, outdoors, and on different floors. You want baseline measurements to compare later, so note speeds and bars. These initial steps remove software barriers and establish where physical factors affect reception before you change hardware or settings. Next, dive into network and hardware optimizations. First, set preferred network type to 4G or 5G, and if your phone allows, select the best band or enable carrier aggregation for combined throughput. Replace an old SIM with a modern one to ensure full compatibility. Position the phone near windows or higher elevation to reduce obstructions, and consider active antennas or an external modem if indoors. Make changes one at a time and retest speeds. That way you can identify which adjustment produced. To finish, implement persistent solutions like a certified signal booster, Wi-Fi call setup, or a home femtosel when available. Once installed, configure quality of service and app background limits so essential apps get priority bandwidth. Make sure to rerun speed tests and compare against your baseline to confirm gains. If performance still lags, gather the timestamps, locations, and measurements, then contact your carrier for escalation. A single troubleshooting tip: if speeds drop after a change, revert that change and test again to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.